And now it's time for the Sea Lions Flash.
Welcome to McGaugh Elementary School,
the school by the sea.
This is a place where we celebrate academic success,
kindness, and collaboration.
We know that by working hard today, we can have a brighter future.
Our goal is to be a world-class school.
And you are an important part of our vision.
McGaugh Sea Lions show up on time and accept the challenge to learn new things.
We strive to be our very best each and every day.
Hey, I'm A for the day.
That's right.
Our scholars get to take risks and be celebrated for trying.
It's a place where you can make a huge impact no matter how long you've been a student here.
We are so excited to have you along for the journey.
And there you have it, McGaugh. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!